All right, you've made it to the end of the tutorial. We have all of our layers ready to go, and we are going to export our movie and watch it. On the top left, click on Export. We're going to name the file onesthoughts.mp4. The preset is Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate. Your format will always be H.264. Location, click on that and click on your desktop and press Save. We're going to send this to the desktop and press Export. All right, if you have any errands to run, go run them. This is going to take a couple minutes. So here's our video, onesthoughts.mp4. Double click on it and watch it and listen to it. If the levels of the vocals are too loud, bring them down. If the vocals are too low, bring them up. If the music's too low, bring it up. You want to be able to hear the narration over the music, but you still want to hear the music. So you may have to export the video a couple times until you get it just right. And then once you do, submit this video, onesthoughts.mp4, for a grade.